Okay, everybody, we are out at Sweetwater Preserve. We are on the Spine Trail. We just got done doing a pretty hefty climb. I want to give you guys a little update on my budget e-bike. So I bought this off Facebook Marketplace for 500 bucks. It is the iZip Edge, or E3 Edge right there. It's a pretty sweet bike. I've done a couple little upgrades to it. The only thing that's wrong with it is the thumb throttle doesn't work, if you guys remember that from one of my previous videos. Still haven't bothered getting it to work. I'm not missing it too much. Let's see, so upgrades. I went and did the Home Depot hack on these tires, so I stopped getting flats. Out here in the desert, there's just thorns everywhere, cactus everywhere. And so by having a big foam in there, it prevents flats. It's very similar to the Tanus Armor, except this cost me, I think, like $6 to do the bike. Tanus Armor is like $150. And so budget bike, budget tube inserts, worked out amazing though. So totally recommend that. Shit, dude, this is going really good. The tube's in there. It's just a 6 foot section, and then I had to add like another, I don't know what that is, like 8 inches, 6 inches, because it wasn't long enough. But dude, I think this might work. Oh my God, dude. So it's totally in, and there's zero air, and it feels like, I mean, you can kind of see it feels like there's maybe like a few PSI, but dude, that tube went like all the way around this thing. So it's like on the bottom, on the sides, everything. So I'm gonna inflate it and see what happens. Well, dude, I think I just got Tanus Armor for $8. I mean, this stuff's probably not as good. Like, it's probably not as thick. But, dude, it kind of seems like it worked, and I bet you I could ride on a flat tire. So that's pretty cool. Of course, I got a little bag right there, keep some tools in. The biggest upgrade I did, though, was changing that rear cassette. You can see that it's much bigger. This is, I think it's like an 11 by 42, something like that. I'll put the link in the description to it, but worked out really good. Yeah, 42 tooth. Just gives you that really good low end first gear for climbing up hills. Makes it so you don't have to rely so much on the pedal assist. You can climb the hills, you know, all by yourself. But that was really awesome. A little bit complicated putting on. Took a while to get the derailleur adjusted. And then you do have to buy a longer chain. I actually had to buy 2 chains and combine them to get it to the right length. But 100% worth it. Absolutely love it. And then the other thing I did, again, you know, can't be too careful with, you know, flat tires out there on the trail. I actually designed and 3D printed this little holder for this old pump that I have. Just snaps in place back here. So that was kind of cool. You know, having a 3D printer is sort of nice. And that pump, you know, it's been hanging on through all my little bunny hops and all the trail rides I've been doing. So it's a pretty good little mount that I got. All right, check it out. Designed a air pump holder that will go on my bike. I just got to print it out. So it's basically just going to clamp onto the bike, and then it's got some features there to hold it around the water bottle mounting, and then the air pump will collect, like snap in the back right there. So we shall see how it works. All right, bike pump with broken bracket. New bracket fresh off the printer. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing clips onto the bike. Oh, that's pretty good. It's actually designed, put these little guys on here so it can clip around the water bottle holder. Oh, now when I tighten this down, it'll hold it even better. And then, let's see if this fits in here. The idea is, boom, just like that. I don't think it'll come out. Have to test it. It's pretty good. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, this is the other thing I did. Now this is another 3D printed thing. Works out pretty good. It's just a flashlight holder. 3D printed a little mount for a flashlight that I had. Me and my brother do a lot of night riding, and so having an extra light on top of the headlamp that I run helps out quite a bit. But anyways, bike's been great. We got a beautiful day out here in Tucson. We're gonna keep riding. Just put the thing through its tests.